Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add products to Shopify from Aliexpress. Now we're going to import a product into our Shopify store, and we will be using Aliexpress, which is one of the most popular platforms for finding dropshipping products. To make the process easier, I'm going to use a tool called Teasers. So this tool helps you quickly import products from Aliexpress directly into your Shopify store. And it also simplifies the order fulfillment process once you start getting sales. So at teasers.com, click on Get Started at the top right. And if you have an account already, just click on Sign In, or you can go to this Create Teasers account page and enter your email and password to create a new account. And it will ask you the platform you want to access. So we are going to link and authorize our Shopify store. So select Shopify and click on Install at the bottom. And once this page loads, just click on Install right here at the left part to install it into our Shopify store. And click on Install at the bottom right here at our Shopify dashboard. And at the Teasers website, it will ask you to log in and authorize and make sure that it is a correct email, and click on Confirm once it is confirmed that it is the right one. And it will show you the pricing. So I'm just going to get started with the basic or free plan right here and click on Get Started under it. Now we are going to link it to our supplier, which is Aliexpress. So click on the Aliexpress button right here to link and authorize to it, and click on Log in if you have an Aliexpress account, or register if you don't have an Aliexpress account yet. So I'm just going to click on Register. Now once you have registered, we can now start importing products. But first, let's go to the Teasers website and click on Authorize right here. And it will ask you to authorize, and click on Access Now and log into your Aliexpress account that you just created. Once you have signed into Aliexpress within the Teasers site, it will then show you the dashboard within Teasers and also show you the products from your Shopify store. And at the Teasers dashboard, click on Home from the options at the left, and from here click on Install. In line with the Start Fast, install the plugin first. This will redirect us to a Chrome extension, so make sure that you have selected or is using the Chrome browser. And once you're in here, click on Add to Chrome to add this extension to our Google Chrome. And once it is added, click on this extension icon at the top right, and you can see the Teasers extension. So click on this pin icon beside it to have it pinned at the top for easy access. Now let's click on the extension icon at the top right and click on Login. And once it loads, you should now be logged into the extension itself. And after that, we go back to the product page within Aliexpress on the product that you want to sell to your Shopify store. So we are going to refresh or reload this page. And on the product page, you can see an Add to Teasers option right here, usually below the Buy Now option. So click on this one and it will say Importing at the top right. And once it's done, it will say Import Success. Now let's go back to the Teasers dashboard. And from here, let's go to My Products at the left, go down. And if it is not showing, let's reload this page. Before going into our Teasers dashboard, click on the Teasers extension at the top right. Let's go back to the Aliexpress page and click on the extension icon again. And for the shipping, we set it to all. And for the country, if you have a specific country that you want to sell it to, you can select it from here. I'm just gonna set it to all this time, and you can also change the currency, for example US dollars, and click on Update Settings. After you have done that, you can click on Add to Teasers again at the bottom. Now let's go back to the Teasers dashboard, reload this page, and we can click on Import List from the options at the left. And you should now be able to see the products that you have imported. For example, I want to add this one. You can click on Edit Product or the pencil icon at the bottom of the product. Let's close this one. And you can then check the title, the reference weight, the dimensions, if everything looks good. And you can also organize it into your collection if you have it in your Shopify store. Add all these information. And you can go to the Variants tab in here and make sure that you select the variants that you only want to sell. For example, if you only want to sell the blue shirt, you can delete the other variants and just select them like that. If you want to sell all, you can keep it as that. And you can also check the description in here, the images. If you don't want to include some images, you can also click on the delete icon. And for the shipping info, you can also select the country you want to ship it to. For example, United States, search and select. And it will then load a shipping company, and you can check the estimated delivery time. And if everything looks good, just click on save at the bottom right. And once you're done saving it, on the product, you can see a push to store button, so click on that. And you can also set your preferences in here and click on push to store at the bottom right once you have set everything up. And let's wait for it to load. Once it is done, let's go back to our Shopify store and click on products from the options at the left. And as you can see, the product that we added from Aliexpress is now in here listed in our products. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.